Hello everyone, my name is Earnest Henry. I am from Sierra Leone, West Africa. I'm so happy to be here in Thika, Kenya, studying at Jodan Modern Machinery Institute. The training has been very comprehensive. I am very excited to be here, to be trained by the professionals. I am currently doing the forklift. I'm doing the excavator, the backhoe, the roller. I'm doing all of the machines. And the training so far is hands-on training, which means it's encouraging everybody to be technical, inclined with the machines, how to operate the machines, safety, how to work in the site. And I'm encouraging international students like me to come and be part of this program. It's a lifetime program, it's a professional program, and after this program, you're guaranteed a job across the world. So I'm encouraging everyone across Kenya, across Africa, West Africa, Sierra Leone, come to Jodan. Thank you.